Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best premium callus remover that promises silky soft feet again. If you've been struggling with thick, tough calluses or dry, cracked skin on your feet, this product might just be the game changer you've been looking for. This is the Callus Remover for Feet by Lori, an extra-strength foot callus remover gel designed to bring professional, salon-quality foot care right to your home. The formula is specially crafted to soften and dissolve stubborn calluses and dead skin, making it easier than ever to maintain smooth, healthy feet without the hassle of expensive salon visits. One of the standout features of this product is its fast-acting nature. You only need to wait 3 to 5 minutes after applying the gel to see noticeable results. For best use, it pairs perfectly with a foot soak, bath, or tub session. Simply apply the gel to the affected areas, then gently buff away the softened skin with your favorite foot scrubber or pumice stone. The packaging includes a new precision applicator nozzle, which is a great upgrade for clean and targeted application. This means no messy drips or spills during use. Plus, protective gloves are included with every bottle, so you can apply the gel safely and with confidence, avoiding any irritation or accidental contact with other skin areas. What really sets this callus remover apart is its advanced formula that targets tough, dry skin. Infused with skin-renewing ingredients like mint and glycerin, it penetrates deeply to break down thick calluses, while leaving your feet feeling refreshed, soft, and ready to show off in your favorite sandals. The product comes in a convenient 6-ounce bottle, making it easy to store and use as part of your regular foot care routine. It's designed to work for all skin types and offers a softening benefit that helps repair and maintain healthy skin. Using this callus remover is straightforward. After soaking your feet to soften the skin, apply the gel directly to rough areas. Then, gently exfoliate with a foot scrubber or pumice stone to remove the softened dead skin. Be gentle during this process to avoid any irritation or skin damage. Regular use will keep your feet smooth and free of hard, unsightly calluses. In summary, the Lori Callus Remover Gel delivers a powerful yet easy-to-use solution for anyone wanting to restore softness and health to their feet. With its quick action, clean application, and nourishing ingredients, it offers a premium experience that makes foot care accessible and effective. That wraps up our review of the best premium callus remover for silky soft feet. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product insights.